jelly, 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 jelly.
On a plate, hey! Jelly on a plate, hey! Whipple wobble, jelly on a plate.
K is for kite, kite. L is for
kite up into the sky.
lion, a lion. I'm a lion, the lion. M is for monkey, monkey, monkey. N is for nest, the nest, a nest. O is for orange, 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 orange. P is for piano, piano. Q is for quill, quill.
Get that!
R is for rainbow, rainbow, rainbow. S is for snowman, snowman. D is for tree, tree. U is for unicorn, unicorn, unicorn. V is for violin, violin.
Love my violin, la 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 la. I love my violin, la 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 la. With the body, neck, strings and bow, it looks just as good as it plays. I want to show.
W is for wardrobe, wardrobe. Wardrobe. X is for xylophone, xylophone.
Xylophone. Xylophone. Xylophone. Xylophone.
Xylophone. Y is for yogurt, yogurt.
From a nice big spoon.
Actually, just yesterday, a little afternoon.
Let's have yogurt, nice and cold. All different flavors, fruity and bold. Having yummy yogurt will help your bones grow strong. Now it's time to dance around and sing this song. Yogurt.
Z is for zoo, zoo. Now we've sung our ABCs. Fun is fun, let's sing it along. Letters and sounds in our song. Fun is fun, let's sing